Today, I'll walk you through how to get data from the website in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to extract web data so you can enhance your reports with valuable insights. Let's dive right in. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you have your dashboard open, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the essential tools you need to get started. Next, click on the Get Data option. Here, you'll see a variety of data sources. Select Web, or if you prefer, you can go through Other and then choose Web. This is your gateway to pulling in data from online sources. After selecting Web, a new window will pop up. Here, choose the basic option and paste the URL of the web page you want to extract data from. Once you've done that, click OK. This step is crucial as it tells Power BI where to look for the data. Now you'll need to select the authentication level required. If the web page is public, you can simply use the anonymous option and then click Connect. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps should still be very similar. At this point, the Navigator window will open. Power BI will automatically analyze the web page and display any HTML tables it finds under HTML tables. Here, you can check the box next to any table you want to preview its contents. This is like browsing a menu before placing your order. Finally, you have two choices. You can either click Transform Data to clean and format the data in Power Query, or if you're ready to go, click Load to add it directly into your report. This flexibility allows you to tailor the data to your needs before using it in your analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get data from the website in Power BI. This skill will undoubtedly enhance your reporting capabilities and provide you with richer insights. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.